10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hello there. This is Saktivel welcoming you to another episode of NumberRoyale. I'm glad you're all here. Good to see you all, and hope you're going to have a great match today. So, as usual, hope you're all staying safe and healthy these days. Hope the quarantine is being put to good use by all of you. So, we're also, quarantined, and I think in the state of Delaware here, we're quarantined till May 14th. So we got another 6 weeks to go. So we need to figure out what to do for those 6 weeks bottled up inside our homes. All right. So, so let's, we've got a few newcomers coming here, and we've got Siddharth, Naveen. Let's take a look. Is it Gitish? I'm sorry, it's Satish, I think. And Tejas, of course. So great to see you all. And so let's get started on game number 1. The usual simple one, 4, 7, and a desired result of 11, just to get you all warmed up. Just addition and subtraction. And you know the drill. Go with either 4 plus 7 or 7 plus 4 and see what everybody else is doing. So this is a pretty good crowd, and you all have figured out how to do this. So 7 plus 4, of course, is the leader with 33, and 4 plus 7, just 3 of you. So good. That's a good warm-up question. So let's move on to question 2. 1, 6, and 12 with a desired result of 19. Just addition and subtraction and nothing else. And as requested by you, we have given you about 20 seconds just so you can consider alternatives and think about what are the good things here. So I see that June 10th, Scrappy 434 says they're off till June 10th. So the leader is at 61 points. 12 plus 6 plus 1, just straight addition, gives you 28. 28 of you have given that solution. So let's, I just want you to start thinking about large numbers, right? Because you all want to improve your scores. So think about the largest number. For example, you can think of lakhs, crores, millions, and billions. What is the largest number that you can think of? Just let me know, and we'll find out who knows more about large numbers. Let's move on to question 3. So 6, 8, and 2 with a desired result of 50. Addition, subtraction, and of course multiplication is available to you in this. So it's a pretty obvious thing. You must do some multiplication to get up there. So do it and get your answer. So I don't see any responses as to large numbers. Can you give me some responses while we are waiting for the solutions? What do you think is a large number? So 29 of you have given 8 times 6 plus 2 is 50, and the other 3 have given the other 6 times 8. So congratulations to each and every one of you. Let's who got the right answer. And if you didn't get it, no problem. You're still on. We are very nice to you. Even if you don't get the right solution, in this mode of play, we let you play along. So I see Pon is saying quadrillion. So what is quadrillion? And is there a number that you can think of that's bigger than that? I think I can think of something. So let's go on to question 4. I'm still waiting for answers on large numbers. 7, 9, 4, and a desired result of 59. Plus, minus, and multiplication are the answers, are the operators that are available to you. So it's once again a straightforward uh, XXXN says quadrillion plus 1. I'll raise you one more. It's quadrillion plus 2. How about that? So there's an issue as far as anyway. So the solutions are back up here. 31 of you have given the most popular solutions. There must be something that the pattern that you're following. I see that you're multiplying the large number by small number and then subtracting it out. So this is a very smart crowd. You're congratulations to you. You're figuring out the technique that the others are using and getting maximum number of points. We got to mix things up. So for tomorrow, I'll ask the engineers to kind of mix up the problem so that we don't make it so easy for you. All right. So let's move on to question 5. There's one person complaining about an question not displaying. I'm afraid that it has to do something with network issue. Now question 5 is decimals: 8.2, 4.1, and 4.8 with a desired result of 7.5. So that should be, there are 8 possible answers, and it's just addition and subtraction. So you've locked it in. So let's see what the results are. There are 5 solutions out of the 8 have been given, and 14 of you have chosen 8.2 minus 4.8 and then added up with 4.1. So that's a little bit of a trickier way than I would have done it, but that's perfectly good. That's what the crowd wants, and that's what you get maximum number of points. So that's good. So where are we on the largest, on large numbers? I got quadrillion. So try taking a look at what Google is. Google, that's Googol. That is 10 followed by 100 zeros. Okay, so that's a big number. And there are bigger numbers than that, and I'll leave it up to you to do some research. Let's move on to question 6. 9, 5, 6, and 8 with a desired result of 60. That's 60. It's just 4 numbers, addition and subtraction, and desired result is 6. So this should be a pretty easy one for you. And so I think that the answers are being locked in right now. So if you have figured out what Google is, also try taking a look at what Googolplex is. Those are huge numbers. That's Googolplex is 10 to the power of Google. So that's huge. So out of the 60 solutions, 7 has been given by you, and the leading point getter is 7. That's 8 minus 5 is 3, 9 minus 6 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. So you've got that locked in. The leader is at 142 points on question number 6. You've got 2 more questions that you can answer to catch up to the leader, beat him or her. So let's move on to question 7. 19, 23, 10, and 1 with a desired result of 33. So it's just addition and subtraction. And while we are at it, try taking a look at small numbers as well, right? So I'll give you a moment to get the solution for this one locked in, and then we'll talk about small numbers. So be prepared for next day when we keep asking you for a small number like micro, mini, and nano. So 9 possible solutions out of 90 have been given. That's 10% of the solutions. The leader gets 11 points on this one. And here comes question number 8, the last question. 8, 20, 1, and 7. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication. You've got 34 as the desired result. So how easy is this one? You don't even have to, do you have to use any multiplication here? I don't think so. You can just do it with just addition and subtraction. So you've got 90 possible solutions. Let's see where we are with the answers here. So 6 of the 90 solutions have been given. The leading point getter is 21, just adding up the big numbers and then subtracting 1 out of it, right? So that's an excellent answer. And the leader is at 174. If I'm not mistaken, this may be one of the highest totals that we have seen in the matches so far. So you're getting good at getting more, lining up your thinking with the others. And so you've got higher points, and 174, I believe, could be the highest point so far in the matches in the last few weeks. So congratulations to the leader, and congratulations to everyone who participated in the match. Let's go take a look at the winners list. So we've got 20 of you sharing the $5, 25 cents a piece. And Siddharth is the number royale for the day. Congratulations, Siddharth, at 174 points. Scrappy 434, it's 170. Doriaman 16, or is it 18, is 167. Hema Deepu, Durai follow closely behind. So congratulations to each and every one of you who played the match today, and also KPMJ at 167. So it's a pretty close match, and everyone has done very well. I hope you get others to join you in tomorrow's match. And so let's move along and get them invited to the match, and let's share the fun, share the wealth. So this is Saktivel signing off. Remembering, without numbers, you're not even a zero. Be a hero. Play Number Royale every day. See you tomorrow.